Hello everybody, Barry Wood, East Wisconsin Savings Bank. Yesterday the question was, do I need to save a point in order to refinance my mortgage and for it to make sense? True or false? The answer to that question is false. Here's the deal. There are a lot of things you have to consider when refinancing your mortgage. Whether or not you save a point can be a factor, but it's really not. You have to factor in, number one, the cost to refinance the mortgage. Now, cost becomes the biggest factor when you're figuring out how much longer you're going to be in the house. It might not be worth the cost that it takes to refinance your mortgage, because by the time you start to get to the savings from the cost of refinancing, you're not actually going to save anything. So therefore, you just spent money that you didn't need to in order to refinance. But assuming you're going to be in the house a longer period of time, you need to take the total cost, divide it out by the number of months you're going to be there, and figure out where your break-even point is. A lot of you out there might have mortgage insurance. If the value of your property's gone up and you're able to drop the mortgage insurance, that opens up lots of other options for you. It's going to lower your payment, the amount of the mortgage insurance. Your payment's also going to go down as a result of the lower interest rate, regardless of whether it's a point or not. And if you're comfortable with the payment you're currently making, if you have a really good lender, they're going to try to move you forward to help you get out of debt faster, which means that you can probably reduce the number of years that you have to pay on your mortgage. Therefore, that can save you thousands of dollars. And if your payment stays the same or is a little less or even slightly more, it makes perfect sense to refinance your mortgage without having to save a point. There are a lot of different factors. If you want to know whether or not it makes sense for you and your family to refinance, give us a call. We'll look at all the different factors. We'll look at the cost, the amount of time you have left in the house, whether or not you have mortgage insurance, and then we can make that determination. I can tell you that over the years, I've saved people thousands of dollars by refinancing their mortgage, even though they weren't saving a point. I hope this answers your question. If you have any further questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Reach out to me anytime. As always, thank you for your time. Barry Wood, East Wisconsin Savings Bank.
East Wisconsin Savings Bank.